Planning to expand your living space? Think of building an addition to your house. This venture requires careful thought and strategic planning before you so much as lift a hammer. You'll want to start by identifying the purpose of the new space. Will it be a home office, a guest bedroom, or maybe a sunroom? The function of the room will influence its location and design. Consider how this addition will fit into your existing floor plan and flow with the rest of the house. It's also crucial to be aware of local building regulations and secure any necessary permits before beginning construction. Remember, good planning is the cornerstone of a successful building project. Next step is budgeting. How much does it cost to add a room to your house? Well, it's not just a simple answer. There are various costs involved in building an addition. Let's break it down. Firstly, we have material costs. These include everything from concrete for the foundation to the paint on the walls. Then there's labor. This is the cost to hire professionals who will execute the project. Remember, every project is unique, so these costs can vary greatly. But don't forget about additional expenses. Things like connecting utilities and getting permits can also add up. It's crucial to set a realistic budget that accounts for all these factors. And speaking of professionals, hiring experts like contractors and architects can be a game changer. They can help ensure a smooth execution of the project and can often save you money in the long run by avoiding costly mistakes. It's essential to have a clear financial plan and the right team to bring your vision to life. Now that you've got your plan and team in place, it's time to start building. First things first, we lay the foundation. This is the bedrock of your new addition, and it has to be strong and stable. It's a process that involves digging, pouring concrete, and allowing it to set. Patience is key here, as rushing can lead to structural issues down the line. Next up is the framing stage. This is when your addition starts to take shape. Wooden beams are erected to create the skeleton of your new space. It's exciting to see the blueprint come to life, but remember, precision is paramount in this step. With the frame up, we move on to insulation. This is what keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's tucked into the walls and roof, creating a barrier between the inside of your home and the outside world. Then we install utilities. This includes plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. It's a complex task that should always be carried out by professionals to ensure safety and efficiency. Finally, we add the finishing touches. This involves painting, laying the flooring, and furnishing. This is where your personal style shines through and your addition truly becomes a part of your home. And there you have it, your new addition is ready to enjoy. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Planning ahead is crucial. Set a realistic budget, hire experienced professionals, understand the construction process, and don't forget the finishing touches. Remember, building an addition is a big project, but with careful planning and execution, you can create a space that's perfect for your needs.